Okay, for this next test, I'm going to switch the amp from standby to on. The current limiter bulb will flash brightly momentarily. Hopefully it will settle back down. I shouldn't hear anything through the speaker because I've got all controls turned to 0. So if there is something crazy, then I may have wired something backwards for the output transformer. And other than that, I'll take a few measurements if nothing looks suspiciously wrong. Here's the look of the current limiter bulb. Little bright flash. Settles down. Current should be flowing through the amp quite quickly because it was on standby for a while. I don't hear anything obnoxious coming out of the speaker, which is a good sign. And so now I'm going to make a few measurements. First measurement is going to be from the positive end of this cap. And I think the manual called for 300 volts, but we've got it set up through the current limiter, so it's low, and that's to be expected. So 269 DC volts at the moment. I'm also going to check the output of the negative bias supply. Minus 37 volts. I'm not going to change the setting of the multimeter, so it could be slightly off, but that's a good sign. It should go from minus 35 or so up to minus 60, or down to minus 60. I'll check the output of the preamp filter capacitor, and it's getting some juice, 235 volts right there. And finally, I'm going to check the output of the DC heater voltage. And I believe that will be from here. And without changing the meter, we're getting 12 volts, which is what we should be getting, around 12.6 volts. Okay, everything checks out. There we go.